Meaning of environmentally friendly.
Environmentally friendly.
Environmentally friendly.
Environmentally friendly.
Environmentally friendly. Environmentally friendly means a product, service, or activity that has a minimal impact on the environment, and its use doesn't deplete natural resources or harm ecosystems. Such products are designed to reduce waste, pollution, and carbon emissions while conserving energy and resources. Being environmentally friendly can also refer to eco-conscious behavior, promoting sustainability, and taking steps to protect the planet. Overall, using environmentally friendly products and practices benefits both the environment and our well-being, leading to a more sustainable and healthier future for us and future generations.